I found this secret automation tool that can save your hours. It's a tool that can create all the images for your story in just 1 minute with a single click. Now, the usual way to generate images for any story goes something like this. We open AI Image Generator, copy-paste the text for the first scene, wait a bit, and the image for scene 1 gets created. Then we copy the text for the second scene, paste it back into AI Image Generator, generate the image, and we do the same manual process for every single scene. They keep repeating. Just imagine, one scene, one prompt, one image. Now multiply that by 30 to 50 scenes. By the time you do the math, it takes at least 1 to 2 hours just to create the images. And if you're thinking this must be a paid tool, nope, it's 100% free. No worries about credits, no free trial drama. You can use it in any niche, whether it's motivational stories, finance, or anything else. I didn't believe it at first either, but when I tested it myself, I realized how game-changing this automation tool really is. If you want to create AI videos without wasting hours, make sure to watch this video till the end. Once you get the hang of how this automation tool works, content creation will become super easy. And yeah, whether you're a PC user or on mobile, I'll show you how to use it on both. So first, let's learn how to use it on a PC or laptop. We'll head over to video description for the link of the tool. So click the link and add this extension to your Chrome. You can see the notifications. Whisk has been successfully installed in our browser. Now we'll go to the Whisk AI website, and once we're there, we'll click on the Enter tool. On the next page, you'll see an interface like this. Now we'll click on this extension icon and then click on the one that says Whisk. Our extension will open, but by default, this extension is in another language. So we'll click up here and select English. All right, friends, now you'll see 3 models on the screen, but the easiest one to use is the middle one, the classic 7.5.1. We'll click on that, and then you'll see an interface like this. Now, this box you see here is where we'll paste our prompts. And if you're working on a big project with lots of prompts, then you'll want to use a text file. You can also click on Import from File here to upload. Now, I've got ChatGPT to write prompts for my story. You can see each prompt is just one line, and after a gap, the next prompt follows. Now I'll copy all my prompts together and paste them into this box in Whisk AI. You'll notice there's nothing else in the prompts. No numbers, no titles, just direct prompts. Next, we'll set the aspect ratio for our image by going into the settings and selecting it. Now just click Start, and that's it. It'll ask if you want to create a new project to generate images or run it on this current project. Now my project here is empty, no images generated yet. So I'll just click on Run on this project, and our automation process will start. You can see it's already started creating our images and downloading them into a separate folder. It'll only take a little while to make all the images for our story. See, it's that simple. Just paste your props and click once. I'll get all the images generated. But there's one problem, guys. Our character isn't consistent. As you can see, the character's clothes and face keep changing in the images. So let me tell you the solution. We'll go to ChatGPT, and in the chat where we wrote our story, we'll ask it to give us the prompts for the story's characters. ChatGPT then gave us detailed prompts for both our characters. Since there are 2 characters in our story, I'll copy the prompt for the first character and put it into Whisk AI. I'll paste it and generate the image. You can see the image of our character has come up. Now we'll move the cursor over the image and download it. Just like that, we'll copy the prompt for our other character and paste it into Whisk AI to generate the image. If the images of your characters aren't coming out right, like I didn't like the images of my 2 characters, I just downloaded their images from the ones above. Friends, now on the left side where it says Subject, we'll go and click on Upload Image to upload the image of our first character. Once it's uploaded, you'll see a plus sign, click on that, and you'll get the option to add a second character. Click on Upload Image again to upload your second character. If you want, you can also go to Style and add whatever style you want for the images. After doing all that, we'll click on the classic model of Whisk. Then paste your prompts, click Start, and as soon as you click on Run on this project, the images will start generating. And on the screen, you can see that both of our characters are consistent, which is great because all the images get downloaded in a dedicated folder in sequence. This way, it's easy to tell which image belongs to which scene. So friends, that was the complete process of how we can use Whisk on a laptop or PC. Now let's talk about mobile users, how you can use it on your phone. Friends, those kind of video needs a lot of hard work, so I'm making a like aim 250 and 250 subscriber from this video, then I will upload the part how can you get it in Androids and iOS. Thanks for watching till end. Have a good day.